Hi everyone, welcome to your very first Python lesson. If you have never written a single line of code in your entire life, don't worry because today you are about to write very first line of code in Python and that you will do it without even installing Python on your computer. Yes, you don't need to install anything just yet. But first you might have a question. What exactly is code? To keep it super simple, a line of code is an instruction or a command. You type it and Python follows it. That's it. Writing a code in a Python is easy if you know how to write in English because it's just like writing a sentence in English. Python is a high level language, which means it's designed to be easy for humans to understand. That's why people prefer to start their coding journey from Python. And professionals agree with that as well. Python can be used for automation, AI, web development, data science, app development, and even making games or robots. So, yeah, Python's kind of a big deal. And today, you're taking your very first step into that world. Now, let's head over to the onlinepython.com where you will write your very first line of code. Open up your favorite browser and type online Python. Click on the link of onlinepython.com and it will lead you to the website of onlinepython.com. There it has the interface shows two boxes and bunch of text about Python and why you should learn Python. You can go ahead and read it if you want. But today I'm just gonna focus on these two boxes and there's a few things you need to understand here. The first box is a text editor. Mm, That means we can write text in this box or we'll be writing our code. You can see there's already some code written inside it as an example, but we're just gonna get rid of it for now. And you can see main.py here. What is it? Main.py is just the file name that we are currently writing our code in. You can go ahead and change the name of file if you want, right? Just by double clicking it and changing to whatever you want. Something like first lesson. And if when you're done, just click outside the box and you will change the name first lesson.py. .py is the extension for Python. That is for computers to understand that it is a Python file. So now the second box here is the screen that will shows the result of our code or the outcomes of our code. When we write code in here and we hit the run button above the second box screen, it will execute our code and shows output here. So let me zoom in first so you can see it clearly. And today we're just gonna learn how to show the message or display some message on the screen by writing code in Python. But how can we do that? Python has something called print. And when you it will take some message like hello world, and when you hit the run button below here just above the second box, it will display our message hello world in the screen just as we want it. And go ahead and click the run button and wait for the result. There you go, it shows the result hello world here. Now try adding some more lines or message, something like print I am learning Python. Now go ahead and hit the run button again and wait for the result. There you have it. It shows hello world, I am learning Python, just as we expect. Now notice that I didn't write print ads like this, print or like this. That is because Python is case sensitive language. It will treat all these print as different object or and let me clear all this. And if I write something like print now, hello there, what's up? Notice I didn't write P in small letter, but instead I write P as capital. Now when I hit the run button, it's gonna give me some error saying that this print is not defined because this print is different from this small print because this small print is already defined in Python and but this auto print is not defined in Python. That's why it's gonna show error. And that's it for today. You can try changing the message and print your name or address and whatever you want. That is it for this lesson, and we'll see you next time.